How to fix Telegram message doesn't exist on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram message doesn't exist on Android phone. It's easy, just open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Telegram and then click on it, and here we'll find the Telegram application settings. And now all you need to do, just click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and now your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back and go to Play Store and check if there's an update here, and then just update your Telegram. Just click update here, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.